This short video illustrates how depression works in the brain. There's a phenomenon called downregulation and another phenomenon called upregulation, which will later be explained in the video, which the two conditions have to do with whether a person is either depressed or happy. These are brain cells called neurons sending chemical messages to one another, which we have 86 billion neurons in the brain. There's a signal that is sent down the nerve releasing neurotransmitters that go across the synapse, which is the space in between neurons. Neurotransmitters are chemical messengers that are filling up receptors here, which are like receivers, and this is how the message is sent from neurotransmitter to receptor or receiver. When the signal comes down the nerve and releases the neurotransmitters, they are vacuumed back up into the original neuron, recycling some of the neurotransmitters, but some of the chemical messengers are destroyed depending on genetics and environmental influences. If you don't have enough of the neurotransmitters to fill up the receptors, one can increase this amount through diet and exercise. Some people naturally have too many neurotransmitters, which can cause overstimulation, causing anxiety and agitation. Exercise and diet can help this too. Here, the neurotransmitters are released, but not enough is released to send the message, so they are vacuumed back up for a double dose in order to fill receptors and send this chemical message. These purple spheres are showing an example of neurotransmitter abuse, where a neurotransmitter called dopamine, which is associated with pleasure, is hedonistically abused, and the metaphorical gas pedal for dopamine is pressed, which dopamine is associated with pleasure, and gas pedal for pleasure keep being pressed until dopamine receptors are damaged and downregulated and reduce in size, sensitivity, and numbers, making a person numb, preventing a person from having a pleasurable reaction from life. Upregulation occurs when a person refrains from pleasure, giving the receptors time to heal, recover, and restore in number.